everybody. Looky here. We're in the same spot at the same time.
Would you believe me if I told you I beat him to work?
He did. I did mow for about an hour and a half today trying to get my front pasture mowed. Got a little rain on. Mowing with mist going everywhere, so it's got my eyes watering and my nose a mess, and then I didn't have no creamer at home, so I don't even have my coffee with my honey mixed in, so I am messed up this morning. I'm about like my goofy ass dog over here. Man, you put that collar on him so quit trying to eat his foot, and I'm just going to tell you something. I think he runs into us literally on purpose. He puts his head down and runs right into us with that cone. I think he says, "You did it, I'm going to fix you."
Buckles our knees, but his foot is looking better. It still bleeds.
I don't know what, it's got to be something underneath it, because he gets excited and he hits it and it starts bleeding.
Yeah, but it is starting to heal. You can tell, and it looks like it's starting to heal.
So, I don't know. I may call the vet today to see if they can see him and take him up there, but if he's making progress, I mean, I've already got to pay a damn fortune for taxes, and
oh, hey, that's on the list.
Yeah,
you'll get that.
And so I mean, the last thing I need is a damn vet bill. But I mean, he ain't worth it. I'm not saying that, but I'm kind of tired of handing money out. But anyway, hey,
you got 1,440 minutes, and you've already screwed up by having that thing. You got the Vic attitude today.
You know something? You're right.
Where's my positive battery cable? I'll hit him and tell him to be positive.
You're exactly right.
And whenever I see Vic
what
again,
time is it? I missed that, don't it?
It's 10 o'clock. We got to hurry up because Adam's live too.
Yeah.
We were about to call Adam.
Yeah, because he tried to call Dad
and called me.
Somebody left the phone out here in the bays instead of in the office.
I left it right here.
And I was in the office.
Well, I thought you would do a briefing and saw it.
Well, I was in the office watching the premiere and getting into the live, so I never heard it ring. So, anyway, because he normally has it on charge. So anyway, here, and it's just a silly little YouTube channel. We got 147 days to No Name Nationals, 50 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive In. Daryl's putting it on in Sydney, Ohio. I'm looking forward to that. This 147 days, I'm not going to lie to you. I kind of hate we paid the money. We've talked to a few people, but I don't know. I kind of wish we wouldn't. It's going to be way out of the way, and I would have rather spent the money on another trip. But
I wonder if we can transfer our tickets over to Vic. Because Vic said with everything going on, he might not get to go for funds-wise.
I don't know.
That might be something we can talk to Vic about, and Vic can talk to the No Name National people about it. Because don't take it wrong, I mean, we were excited for it at first, as we've dwelled on before.
And I do want to go, don't get me wrong.
Well, it would be cool, but we're not part of that community.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We're running this and this one and getting to know people, and then we got to know these people, and these people act like we don't exist. And
well, even before we met this crowd over here for the NNN, once we paid our money.
And I'm not trying to talk about nobody, please don't get it, but it's just, I feel more comfortable where we're at.
Oh, but speaking of No Name Nationals, Lone Wrench Garage. He's a part of Snowman family. He's down in the description. Click down there. Go subscribe to him. He's on the race to 500 so he can go and bring his car.
Well, now see, that would be cool if a few people we know is going. Because Vic said, Brown said he probably wouldn't be able to go.
Well,
and then I don't know, did Vic ever say he was going to go?
Vic said he probably wouldn't be able to, especially with the house fire now. Lone Wrench Garage. I forget his real name, but he's commented a few times, and quite a few times.
Well,
he said he's working on making videos. He's working on doing better on videos. I told him if I can, I will help him. I saw him post on, I think it was Facebook and or Instagram, saying that he's in the race to make 500 subscribers.
How far is he off?
He's a little ways. I think he can do it. Well, he's got 147 days right now.
He needs to get in there with Crown and go back over to John and them, let them help boost them.
Yep, because they'll help. They should help.
They help Vic like huge. But anyway, like I said, 50 days to 500 cruiser drive in Sydney, Ohio. Gerald's putting it on at the fairgrounds. Anyway, we got to leave here in just a few minutes and go. It hurts me because this is the first time I've had to pay this kind of money.
That's it.
And it really upsets me because, like I said, I just bought the truck and
we paid so much on taxes throughout the year.
And we just went to Florida and everything, so my money was already short.
Do not knock my
and then I keep hearing how they're gonna, stop taking taxes out of my check. But then again, they say, hey, wait a minute, we didn't take enough out. Let me get some more of that money you got there, So anyway, I gotta go take a small loan out. I think I'll refinance my house. And
I would refinance this, but I hadn't had long enough.
So I gotta go pay that. That's gonna add a couple $100 to my payments. My monthly bills now, and then somebody says, hey, you need to go on to your work and claim difference so they take more out. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Y'all take more out.
So then
I can't make the damn payments as it is. But anyway, 1,440 minutes.
Take a belly breath, Pat.
No joke.
We'll try again.
So open mail for good times.
It's back there. You put your glasses on top of it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it is, but the UPS man I had up there deliver package to the scrapyard up the road, because turns out they delivered their package to me, and then he come back and said, I think I gave you the wrong package. I said, you did. So he gave me the right package. I don't know what it is, but we'll open it for good time.
We'll open it here in a little bit, probably when we get back from the good old tax department. Thank God they extended it now. I can feel better for a couple more days before I can start my damn payments. Anyway, 1,440 minutes. Get lunch, maybe.
I don't know if we can afford lunch.
I don't care if we get lunch. If we got water, I got to have some food. I've not eaten this morning. I can go out there and get a Pop-Tart. I don't care, but I got to get something. I'm starting to get hangry. And I've not had my coffee or my honey.
Some light off.
I might. Now, I'm telling you what, for some reason, I mowed this morning and that thing bounced me around. I drove here. I got out. I looked like old...
Sanford.
No, what's that dude's name?
Adam?
No, Vic! I'm not talking about y'all, see.
Oh, John. Except taller.
I wasn't that tall when I got out the truck. I was humped over like
back
in Notre Dame.
You're probably about the height of John.
Hey, look, except anyway, somebody made a joke the other day, and it was kind of funny, but then you get to think about it. Damn, all the shit we got around here, we probably do look like Sanford Son, so we need to clean up. And
by the time we get lunch, and we go pay the taxes, and we get done crying for paying the taxes.
As Vic says, as I'm going to lick my wounds for today. That ain't gonna be deep after I pay the damn taxes.
But
I thought about slitting my wrist just to see if they'd feel sorry for me and not charge me. Hey, if you die, do you still have to pay it?
Yeah, it's a death tax. I have to pay it.
Fuck, I ain't got to. I mean, heck, I ain't got to. Anyway,
by the time we get done,
as my son would say, that would fix 50% of the problems around here.
That would fix all of my problems, 50% of that.
Oh, if I was gone, it'd fix all your problems. Oh, y'all heard him. Yeah, see? They're trying to put me in the ground. Not even in a retirement home no more.
Nope, I already got the home dog. Yeah,
hit that, dumbass. God, that's a dumb dog. I think the world of him, but that's about as done. Anyway, listen.
Stop getting him excited. He starts bleeding.
Being dumb is about like being dead. Everybody else knows it, except the person who's dumb and dead. All right, or the dog. Anyway, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Don't let people mess with you.
You nasty.
Get out there and make yourself happy. And
you're that nasty.
yeah, everybody's got a plan ahead of them, and I feel that you got choices when you take them, you go down a different route. So try to take a positive a choice and see if you can go down the right thing. I'm trying now. I said I'm not above this. For what?
The Texas.
Gotta go, everybody. Keep your head up, your best foot forwards, and keep it silly.
Except for Adam, keep your 1 foot forward.
He's along with that one, dumbass. Thank y'all. Have a good day.
Wait, you forgot. Keep it silly.
I think I said that.
Nope.
When you go back and watch it, check. I might not have.
Keep it silly, everybody. Thank you. I thought we were opening it over here. Well, here you go. Hold this. Well, welcome back, everybody. I'm about to go to work. Right sided. It's because you had a nap and you're in a better mood now. You just stop, I swear. I'm going to give you an extra hole.
Hello, everybody. My name's Randy, and I like ice cream. This box is gonna whoop him. I ain't gonna tell him. Uh-oh.
Scott's here.
Scott's here. Now hurry up. He don't like the camera. Hurry up. Oh.
Here's your motor mount, sir.
All right, let's see how that works.
And a new Opti Sport.
Good, because y'all seen I got that in wet the other day.
God dang. Big thanks to Adam.
Yes.
I heart my hooker hitters.
There we go.
It's probably your O2 sensor.
BRB.